energy consideration, we know that if a thin rod of a metal, means a conductor of length L, moves perpendicular to magnetic field capital B with velocity V, then an induced EMF is produced across the ends of the rod. Here magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the paper and inward. So by Lenz law or by Fleming's right hand rule, you will see that this P in becomes positive and Q in becomes negative, and induced EMF so produced is equal to V into B into L. Suppose we make an arrangement so that this thin conducting rod may move on this U-shaped frame. This is also made by a very long thin conducting rod, and we bent this like as in this diagram. So due to induced EMF, since circuit is complete, so by Lenz law you will find that direction of current in this circuit will be like this, and suppose I current flows through this. Let resistance of this rod is small r, and resistance of this conducting material is very low. So to solve this problem, we may ignore it. In place of rod, if we put a thin wire, then also an induced EMF will produced when this wire moves perpendicular to magnetic field. Now suppose resistance of this thin wire is small r. So induced current in this circuit PS or Q, I is equal to induced EMF upon resistance. Now induced EMF is BVL, so I is equal to BVL upon R. Now we also know that when a current carrying wire is kept inside the magnetic field, then a force acts on it, and this force is given by the formula F is equal to ILB. So when this induced current flows through this wire, this force will act on it. Now by Fleming's left hand rule or by right hand screw rule, you may find the direction of this force. So direction of this force will be opposite to its motion. So this force opposes its movement. Now to maintain this velocity, we have to apply at least equal and opposite force F in the direction of motion, so that this wire can continue to move in this direction. So that force is equal to ILB. Substitute this I is equal to BVL upon R from here in this formula. F is equal to ILB. So F is equal to BVL upon R into LB, which is equal to L square B square into V upon R. So to maintain the motion of the wire, we have to apply this much amount of force. Now power required, P is equal to F into V. So power P is equal to L square B square V square upon R, because we know that if a body is moving with velocity V, then force applied on it is suppose F, then power is given by the formula F into V. Power means energy supplied per second or work done per second. तो इस वायर को इस डायरेक्शन में v वेलोसिटी से चलाए रखने के लिए हमें जितनी फोर्स इधर लग रही है इसके अपोजिट इधर फोर्स लगानी पड़ेगी. एंड सपोज दिस फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन द वायर एंड दिस फ्रेम इज 0. सो वी आर नॉट कंसीडरिंग फ्रिक्शन. ये फोर्स हमें फ्रिक्शन के अगेंस्ट नहीं लगानी. ये फोर्स हमें जो ये फोर्स वायर में करंट फ्लो होने से जो फोर्स डेवलप हो रही है, जो इस वायर के मोशन को अपोज कर रही है। इस फोर्स को ओवरकम करने के लिए इक्वल एंड अपोजिट फोर्स इधर इस डायरेक्शन में एफ फोर्स लगानी होगी, लाइक दिस। ये फोर्स हम अप्लाई करेंगे तभी ये वायर चलेगा। तो जिस एजेंसी से फोर्स हम लगा रहे हैं, सपोज वी आर ड्रैगिंग दिस फोर्स, सो आई एम गिविंग पावर टू दिस वायर, so that power is given by the formula F into V. Now F is L square B square into V upon R, so P is equal to L square B square V square upon R. अब इस वायर में करंट I फ्लो हो रही है, इसका रेजिस्टेंस R है, so we know that heat produced per second is equal to I square into R. So P is equal to I square into R. This P is heat produced per second. So this power is consumed in producing heat. So on moving wire, I am giving some power, and this power is transferred into heat energy. So heat produced per second P is equal to I square into R. So P is equal to, for I, write PLV upon R. So this is PLV square into R. So P is equal to B square L square V square upon R. So in this way, power given is equal to heat produced. So mechanical power given is consumed into heat energy. So there is नो कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन विद दी कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी। जो हम पावर दे रहे हैं मैकेनिकल एनर्जी के फॉर्म में, वही पावर हमको हीट एनर्जी के फॉर्म में वापस मिल रही है। थैंक्स, हैव ए नाइस डे।